Got my solar melter hard at it. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today I'd just like to go over a few things that's going on in the bee yard. If you can see some of this white stuff on the ground, I've been noticing I'm starting to have a hive beetle issue, and that's diatomaceous earth. I put it down in front of the hives. That way any larvae coming out, any hive beetle larvae coming out of the hive and going into the ground to finish its pupal stage, we'll have to go through that diatomaceous earth and hopefully take care of the problem before it gets any worse. If you've noticed, I moved this nuke, which is my first split. I moved it from right here over to here. And a lot of people say when you're moving your bees, you got to either move them less than 3 feet or more than 3 miles. And I've got a little trick for that. Wait till the evening when all your bees are at home, right? And then go ahead and move your hive to wherever you got to move them, if you got to move them across the yard or whatnot. And then get you some branches, a piece of plywood or something would work, and put over the entrance. Like I did, like this. Just put over the entrance of the hive that you're moving. And then the following day, any bees coming out of that hive have to reorientate to that position. And after about 24 hours, I'd say you can remove whatever you put in front of your hive, and there you go. It's that easy to move a hive more than 3 feet and less than 3 miles. And but today we're going to get into this nuke. I did this split about 3 weeks ago. It had a queen in it, and I'm going to get in here, try to find the queen, and put a different nuke box here that's a little more sturdy. Let's get in here, see if we can't find the queen, give her a mark of some blue paint, and see what's going on. So again, if you've been following me on YouTube, this is my first split, so I'm pretty excited to get in here and see how things are going inside it. Like I said, it's been 3 weeks since I've even opened this box, so I'm excited. And this is actually one of the nieces or sister of my first ever hive, Queen Lattice, down there at the end. She was actually the one that took the brunt of the tree damage, if you've seen that video, the apiary disaster. Well, we got that lid glued down pretty good. And I haven't noticed the bee population declining in this nuke box, so that's obviously pretty good. A sign that there's a mated queen, and I'm seeing larvae already. I broke open some comb. I only had 4 frames in here. I should have had 5. And again, we've got another mess on our hands. This will be fun. All right. Wow. probably should have been in here like 2 weeks ago. Oh, I didn't like that. I'll even probably move these back out of that nuke after I get some more frames. I'm out of frames. Get these girls going into a 10 frame hive. As we all know, winter is fast approaching, so we've been busy. All kinds of pollen in here. Oh, what a mess. I'm seeing supersede your cell. Oh, I'm afraid she's in all this mess over here. Give you all a shot of the mess I'm dealing with in this nuke. Sorry I can't get all this on video, but my phone has started to overheat and will not record. It's just too hot out here today. Haven't found the queen yet. Still looking. Okay, so far this has turned out to be a beautiful disaster. I have a mess. I had to scrap that idea that I was going to put them in that other nuke box, and I'm having to go for another 10 frame box here. This just, I was not expecting so many bees, and I don't have any more frames. I'm gonna have to go pull down a swarm trap to get some frames out of it. So this is where I'm at. Still haven't found the queen nowhere. This is a crazy mess I got going on. I might just have to get them in this other box and come back later to see if I can't find the queen. Dang it. It's so hot today, my phone got turned off. Melted this comb. Damn, another frame. Okay, still looking for that queen. I hope she wasn't on there. Yeah, this is crazy. I got super procedure cells going on. A lot of drone. You can see the super procedures right there. I think I knocked those two down earlier. What do? Do you leave the super procedure cells? Just let them work themselves out? I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just let them do their thing. If they feel they need to supersede their queen, well, I guess I'll let them supersede their queen. There's still drones out there, so. There's a drone right there. Another super procedure cell, and that one's capped. That right there. It's just brutally hot out here, and it's even in the evening. I'm sweating. I had to go through a couple of my other hives, do some swapping out, put some feeders in, and took a couple empty frames out. She is just a hard one to spot. I was hoping to find her and mark her today. The old fat drone right there on the top. Well, I guess I'll just let this one play out. I just got a shallow frame in the deep. That's how I am for spare parts. Learn as we go, I guess. Well, that's that. Like I said, that was a beautiful disaster. So, thanks for your time. Hope you have a good one. Hopefully next time I do an inspection on this hive, I can find the queen. Have a wonderful day.